Imposter syndrome is a feeling that you're not supposed to be in a place, you're not supposed to be in a certain position, you don't belong somewhere or this place or there. And the reason you get that is because you're, I would say, not confident. To me, honestly, I had imposter syndrome before I started this channel. Let me give you a little story where I questioned myself, asking myself, like, do you really think you're the one to be giving knowledge and to be talking to anyone or to be educating anyone or to be talking about anything on self-improvement or any of that? Who are you? You're just this guy, this young man from Jamaica that wants to do YouTube. You're a nobody. That's the way I felt. And the way I got over it is by honestly looking at other YouTubers, other big YouTubers' first videos, and their first 10 or couple of them. They started just like I did, from zero. No one knew them. PewDiePie celebrated 100 subscribers. That was crazy. And that's what I would say you should do. You should actually get a feeling of comfort. Try to get a feeling of comfort. Try to get a feeling of belonging. Try to be relatable in a situation. I'd say you should talk to someone, talk to anyone in the position that you are. If you're in a workplace and you feel like you're not supposed to be there or you don't belong there or something, I'd say to really have conversations with the people around you. Have deep conversation with the people around you, because imposter syndrome is the thing where you feel like you're a fraud, you feel like you're not supposed to be here and someone is going to find you out. I know that feeling, I really do. And as I said, try and have deep conversation with people around you, the people around you that you think you're not supposed to be around. Try to have deep conversations with them. And if you're someone that wants to start YouTube, look at some of the top YouTubers' first 20 videos. And trust me, you'll be motivated through the sky. I'm telling you. But that's how I'd say to beat imposter syndrome. I only had that one experience where, as I said, I was going to start YouTube and I felt like you're no one. You're not supposed to be here. Like, who are you? You're no doctor. You're no one to be educating or telling anyone nothing. That's how I felt, and that's how a lot of people feel. And I'm here to just tell you that try to relate to the people around you. Try to become comfortable in the space that you're in. That's the easiest and the simplest way, and the only way that I know. That's the way that I did, because I watched big YouTubers old videos, and I got that inspiration. I got that feeling of they're just like me. They're just like me. They're humans like me, and we have blood running through our veins. That's what that's the conclusion that I came up with. To everyone that is helping me to reach my 10K goal, I really do appreciate you. You are appreciated. And subscribe if you're new. I'm out.